Hello everyone. We're trying to understand shell today. What is shell? Shell is basically a program that takes keyboard commands from you, and then it's going to convert that in then pass it over to operating system. Most of these Linux distributions use a shell called bash. Bash stands for Born Again Shell. What you see here is called command prompt or shell prompt. Shell prompt is basically prompting you to give a command. So you can give any command here. If it's a valid command, it's going to respond to it. If it is not valid, it's gonna state its command not found. Let's look at a few interesting commands. One of the commands that you might use often is called date, which would tell you the date and the time. And another command to show the calendar, the current calendar month, you can type in cal for calendar. That's going to show you the calendar month for you. I'm going to quickly, if you want to clear the screen, you can use clear command. Okay, that clears the screen just like that. Let me quickly maximize my terminal. This is called terminal. Maximize my terminal so that you can get a better view of that. Let me zoom that quickly. And the next, we'll see, we did actually clear. I used the command clear. Now you can see that all the command that I had used before is still there. Let's try clear again. Okay, even though you have cleared it, you can actually go up, scroll up basically, and then find the commands that you cleared. It's not going to clear all the history when you say clear. In fact, you can go back to up to 1,000 previous commands by using up arrow key. So when I'm pressing up arrow key now, so you can see that I can scroll through all the commands I had given before. All right, so the next thing, let's take a look at exit command. Exit command would exit the terminal. So if you want to bring back the terminal, what do you do? So you can press, you can go to the terminal and click on the terminal, or you can use a shortcut, Alt, Control, and T. That should bring the terminal back. Another useful command that you might want to look at is disk free command. If you want to see how much of the disk space you have free, you can use the disk free command. So all you got to do is type df. So this basically shows you your usage, disk usage at the moment. Okay, so there you are. Likewise, if you want to show the free memory, you can use free. So that shows the amount of memory used and then amount of memory you have free.